Hey everybody, I'm elcheapomagneto, and welcome back to Happy Wheels. Alright, so it's a new week, that means new levels, and hopefully a lot more chaos to happen, and me to be humiliated. So we're gonna start things off with what are helmets for. Remember kids, always use a helmet. This doesn't sound good. Uh-oh. My helmet is so powerful that it froze the game. You cannot hurt me! Battle Run Massivo. Oh, let's see how it is. It's only for pros, is it now? But you know what? I just so happen to be a pro at battle runs. And... see? I did it. I made it far. I win! I win! You know no battle run's gonna get the best of me. Easy does it. Easy does it. Barry. What is it? Benny? Barry? What the what did I call him? Does anybody remember? Because I sure as hell don't. Freeze swing. Grab the rope and then put it in the freeze area. Oh, whoa. That's actually kind of cool. That is not kind of cool. I've been pierced. All right, Steven. I got nothing. Now that. Never mind. Welcome to the Pogo Jump YouTube. Hi, player. Hopefully, YouTuber. Hi, player. Hopfly YouTuber. My name is Sam, and I hope you're one of the YouTubers out there. One of the YouTubers that are in this level. Click one of them. Okay, so we got. Oh my god. Okay, so let's. Okay, we got it. In this selection, we got Markiplier, Ashdub H, Slogoman, Dan TDM, Jelly T, Jacksepticeye, Quebblecop, and PewDiePie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know who to pick. I get my eyes closed and boom. Slogoman, I guess. What? Too bad Pew stopped playing Happy Wheels. Markiplier Slogoman. Okay. Level 1, 15 stages. I don't understand why I had to pick a YouTuber. I really don't. Don't remove my head. Don't remove my head. Whoa, oh wow. They go down after I make it past. Nice. I guess that's one thing I like about that because, you know, doing the other Pogo challenges, stages or whatever, you know, that walls were always staying up, so, it was a pain to try to get through. And you will not stop me, because I am Pogo Peach. Let me through! I lost my helmet, but you know what? I am better than the helmet needing. Okay. Come on now. That's it. No. Go the other way. Go the other way. What is it? Control? Okay. Woohoo! I am a little bouncing ball of death. I don't want to make a meth joke. I couldn't even do that really if I tried. Okay, I put my helmet up. May the helmet gods grant me fortune! Yeah! Level 2, 5 stages. You know, I wonder something. Wow. I wonder if, each YouTuber thing has, separate, or if the challenges are the same, or if all the level designs are the same, you know? I don't know. That one just goes poof. Yeah. Yeah. I want through. Oh my god, are you serious right now? Thank you. Oh my god, the exit. Oh, sweet beautiful exit. Oh, the winner's thingy. I want you. I want to be with you for eternity. I will win. Get out of my way, you stupid wall. Yeah. Woo. 259 seconds. Wow. That is sad. Welcome to the possible level. It's 100% possible, it says. What? What the fuck? Does anybody have a name for him? I'm gonna call him Moped Mike. Alright, Mr. Moped Mike. And Moped, Moped Molly and Moped Mike. Screw it! I'm gonna blaze on through. Google. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Back up! Back up! Back up! No! Okay, that's trippy. Oop, I lost Moped Molly. Happy Wheels. What does it say? Total. Oh, cool. Yeah! Free! Ride up freedom! Rate 5 stars. You're begging for 5 stars ratings? Oh boy. But that was fun. That was really fun. I feel bad for Molly though. Hold space 2. Hold space 2. Okay. Oops. Damn it! Subscribe to Stefano. Stefano Steph. Okay. Oh no, I didn't want to restart it. I was getting really scared because I thought I was going to get killed. I was like, should I let go? When should I let go? Aha! Purple challenge, huh? The impossible challenge. We got a bunch of, what? Oh boy. Oh shit! My freaking pogo stick just broke. Don't I make a lovely decoration piece? Hey, my name's Pogo P, and I'm gonna win! I actually won. I actually freaking won. I didn't expect to win. Yay, Pogo P! Challenge! Challenge accepted. So what kind of challenge do we have here? I'll take it. I either got really lucky or that was a very simple challenge. We got some spinning wheels and we got Mr. Pogo Pete. It's possible. Of course it is. It's possible to be separated to 50,000 pieces within a mere second. It doesn't take very long either. It's a simple process. Please don't kill me. Whee! Do I move forward? I think you have more to worry about than your foot. Well, this is out of my control now. Okay, I died before I could reach there. One more try, and I'll just, Ooh, we got an arrow survival. Oh, I finally died. What? I must be a master of yoga or something, you know, because I don't think you're supposed to bend like that technically. Whoops. Well, I can tell you that I survived. My butt is lowering towards my my ass, child. Billy, know your place in life. Slowly, Lord. Whoops. What? Are you done? He's getting jiggy with it on the deathbed. Let's tone things down with a nice relaxing ball throw. We have a harpoon right at our head. Oh, I unblocked the wind. Wow, I didn't even get a chance to throw. That was fast. Woo. I got all the balls. Wow, just blocking death makes it a little bit too easy. Yeah. Wow, I got really lucky there. We get a difficult challenge with Shopper Bertha. Press space Z. Oh, okay. I just gotta launch her through here. Okay. Bye! Why did you go fly and leap at that guy? What did he do? What did he do to you? Tell me, what did he do to you? We got a Hugie bottle run. Oh. Oh my god, it's literally a huge bottle run. With big bottles. Oh my god, I can't even do this. I will do this! You are my... Oh, ow. I'll take it! I don't have anything to say about this, other than it's really interesting. I wasn't expecting it to be like really freaking long, not freaking literally huge bottles. I love it. Alright, so we got a Jacksepticeye pogo level for the bosses. These are like Septiceye pulls. I wouldn't want one of these things going up my butt, I can tell you what. Or at least it gives me a hint on how to... I was just gliding along, like nothing ever happened. Or like, no! I will get my revenge on you for making me go back 2 spaces. Alright, so it's hold control space for this. No! I hate you! Patch. I don't know why I kind of like to laugh. Let's try this again! Woo! Yeah, I did it! Alright. Now we just gotta do the worm along the way. Random noise here! Random noise here! Alright. I can do it! I can do it! Don't no one worry. You are watching something. What the f- Come on! I'm tired of dancing in the pale moonlight. I don't know. I want out! You. Thanks for being boss. Jack the Luth. Interesting name. That was, the end there was, oh. I am a tiny warrior. You're for me. It just feels like a non-lethal level because... I take that back! It was a completely lethal level! I just popped my head off of my shoulders like it was nothing! Welcome to the sniper! The sniper! Okay. What are you, some kind of ninja? I will not allow ninjas in my city! You, Mr. Lawnmower Man, you've caused me so much turmoil over the decades. It's time to put an end to you, once and for all. As I was saying, once and for all. Wow, I am terrible at that. Ladies and gentlemen, if I ever go into the military, which is highly unlikely, if I ever go, I will not be a sniper, and if anybody plays with me in some sort of FPS game, I will not be a sniper because I am absolutely terrible. Beam Rising 2? Oh. Do 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 do. Oh no, I cannot die. Everybody leave me. These stupid blocks are trying to go and kill me. Someone, as I was saying. Insert raccoon voice here. DBZ, your bridge is fucking amazing. I like the Mechamania 2011. I bumped my butt on that. Am I stuck? No? Okay, good. Woohoo! Jeez, buy me dinner first. No, 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 no! Ha ha ha! You stupid blocks. No, no, yeah! I'm scared. What's next? Oh, wow. That was awesome. That was actually kind of a fun level. Actually, it kind of reminds me a little bit of, Yoshi's Island? Is it? Super Mario World 2 Yoshi's Island? Yeah, that sounds about right. Where there's a section of the level where you're, just standing on things and it's going up and up. This is 100% possible, it says. You lied to me! I almost had you! Alright, Mr. Pogo Pete, you know what you do. You trained for the Olympics for this! What? You trained in the Olympics! You should be handling this like a pro! Oh no! No! Aye! What? Oh, I thought I got right through the center of my head. Boing! No, no! I can do it. You just watch. Yeah, you see, I did it! I did it! I actually didn't think I was gonna do it there, but I did it! Welcome to the solo throw fight! Oh boy. With just 2 swords, I eliminated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I eliminated 6 enemies in 1 throw. Did I just die? I died! No one survives! Jet trap! I want to see if I can make it to the other one. There we go, I did it! I did it! I made it through the jet trap! And we are going to kill them. Why? Because I can. What the hell? Bye. What are you? Can I not grab you? What was that? Well, there goes my arm. It's a grenade! It's a grenade! Give me that grenade! I am going to grenade you! Part 2. Click here to win. Okay, that was short and sweet, and I think I'm gonna call that here for this week's episode of Happy Wheels. There was a lot of carnage, surprisingly. It seems that I have lost my touch at the bottle runs, but you know what? I will have my revenge, one way or another. Anyway, thank you very much everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time. You're a bad boy. You're such a bad boy. Oh boy. There.